Data and analytics play a crucial role in modern business operations, offering a wealth of benefits that directly impact decision-making, strategy formulation, operational efficiency, and overall competitiveness. Here's a breakdown of why data and analytics are essential. Informed decision-making. Data-driven decision-making allows businesses to base their strategies and actions on concrete evidence rather than intuition or guesswork. By analyzing data, companies can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that inform their choices. This ensures decisions are grounded in objective insights, reducing the risk of errors and increasing the likelihood of success. Understanding customer behavior. In today's competitive landscape, understanding customer preferences, needs, and behavior is paramount. Data analytics enables businesses to gather, analyze, and interpret customer data from various sources such as social media, online interactions, and sales transactions. By gaining insights into customer behavior, businesses can personalize offerings, improve customer experiences, and tailor marketing strategies for better engagement and retention. Operational efficiency and optimization. Data analytics can uncover inefficiencies and bottlenecks within business operations. By analyzing operational data, companies can identify areas for improvement, streamline processes, and optimize resource allocation. This leads to cost savings, increased productivity, and enhanced overall efficiency. Forecasting and predictive analysis. Predictive analytics leverages historical data to forecast future trends and outcomes. By utilizing techniques such as regression analysis and machine learning algorithms, businesses can anticipate market shifts, demand fluctuations, and potential risks. This proactive approach enables companies to adapt their strategies accordingly, stay ahead of the competition, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Risk management. Data analytics helps businesses identify and mitigate risks more effectively. By analyzing data related to market trends, financial performance, and external factors, companies can assess potential risks and develop strategies to minimize their impact. Whether it's identifying fraud, predicting supply chain disruptions, or managing financial risks, data analytics provides valuable insights for proactive risk management. Competitive advantage. In today's data-driven economy, businesses that harness the power of data analytics gain a significant competitive advantage. By leveraging data to make better decisions, optimize operations, and innovate products and services, companies can differentiate themselves in the market, attract customers, and drive growth. In summary, data and analytics are essential for business because they enable informed decision-making, enhance understanding of customer behavior, improve operational efficiency, facilitate forecasting and predictive analysis, mitigate risks, and provide a competitive edge in today's dynamic marketplace.